Hello, I'm excited to share what functionality is included in our first release of vehicle warranty management in Fleetio. Today, I'm going to walk you through adding warranty policies to vehicles and how mechanics can view those warranty policies on work orders in order to never miss a repair that is covered under warranty. First, let's take a look at how to add a warranty policy to a vehicle. Here you'll see that I've navigated to the vehicle profile where you will notice the new warranty tab. If the tab doesn't show up for you, you can find it here in the More tab and customize its placement here in the Manage tab menu layout. So you can move this wherever you choose. Once you have navigated to the Warranties tab, this is where you'll see all of the individual policies that are covered under the vehicle's warranty. So you can start to see how these are broken out into individual policies that have their own in-service date, end date, start meter, and duration. Each individual policy can be broken out into basic or standard coverages. So if you want to be more detailed, you can come in here and add individual coverages that break down under engine, which is the main policy, or you can add any other type of extended coverage that falls within this category. Going back to the main policies, let's take a look at what it looks like to add a policy. So to add a policy here on the Warranties tab, you'll go to this button here, Add, and choose Add Warranty Policy. And this is where you want to go ahead and add the details that are encompassed under this policy. So for this example, let's call this bus body. We'll give it the manufacturer Ford. This is where if you had a warranty vendor set up, so the vendor would be the person who can actually complete the repair in order to receive funds for the warranty. This vendor link is if it has a website that's relevant. So after we've gone through here and we see the in-service date, this is the date in which the unit is considered in service or when the warranty starts. So we can say that the warranty start date is January 1, 2023. You select your term duration. So how long is this warranty active? So let's say 4 years. It'll automatically calculate an end date here for you. And then the in-service meter. So what is the starting meter to consider this warranty active? So let's just say the starting meter is 0. And the meter distance for the bus body, we'll say, is 100,000 miles. So once you have all of that, these are all the required fields to create the main policy. From there, you can start building out individual standard coverages that are contained within this policy. So let's say we want to itemize some things within the bus body policy. We can add in, let's say that there's a basic coverage that is just the structure. So the structure of the bus body has its own relevant coverage. So we'll name this structure, and it already has the in-service date. We'll say the structure is probably only good for a year and has the in-service meter already calculated for you. And then we'll say the structure is, let's say, 25,000 miles. So we can save that coverage there. And this will layer up into the policy. So let's take a look at what that looks like. We'll save this warranty policy. And here you are. So you can start to see within the bus body, these are the general terms for this individual policy, but the structure maybe is a little bit of a shorter term. So we have that itemized here. And you can also add any extended coverages here as well related to the bus body. So going back to the Warranties tab on the vehicle profile, this is where you can see all the policies that are active on this individual unit. So where this becomes important is when mechanics are creating work orders on this vehicle, we want to make sure that they understand that these policies are currently active. So if they're adding service tasks for a repair, they know that they can actually get reimbursement for those repairs. So we can go into a work order. This mechanic is actively working on this work order. When they pull it up, they can see warranty coverage 5 active. So this lets them know that there are active policies on the vehicle. They can go here and view all of those policies and get more detail. It'll automatically bring those up. So they can come in here and say, oh, okay, well, this is related to the engine. It's still under active warranty. So I want to make sure to submit this to create a claim for reimbursement there. So after the mechanic has created the service task and they've gotten the repair refund check in, they can come in here and apply those credits to the work order directly so that you can keep track of all of their repairs that were covered under warranty. So you just come in here and let's say it's a $300 repair. It'll go ahead and tally that up here for you and then add it to the total. And that is vehicle warranty management in Fleetio. Thanks so much.